Guys, so this is an emergency briefing. I've literally just got out of the shower, which is why I've not got a top on. So yeah, hopefully that got your attention though, because I need to get your attention so you can get these free coins. So basically, I've just done this myself. Let's go over to it really quick. So UNISWAP tokens have just been released and they are airdropping them. So there is a link in the description for app.uniswap.org. Here you can see this one here. You go onto here. I've already done this. You connect your Metamask, just click connect your wallet, and then you can claim the tokens. You'll get 400 Uniswap tokens. I increased my gas fee to $50 just to make sure I got them, and now those Uniswap tokens are sat in my account. The transaction was successful and they are worth let me just have a quick look. They are worth $1,180, so just under $1,200 worth of Uniswap tokens for free, just like that. So I would suggest you guys get on there real quick. I don't know when they'll run out or how fast they will run out or exactly what the deal is with it. This is all pretty new. I've just jumped on it straight away. So yeah, I suggest you use the advanced settings to increase your fee, because I did it a couple of times with their fast normal transaction gas fee, and it got rejected straight away. So I just whacked it up to $50 just to make sure I got them. So yeah. I would get onto this right now. Basically, the only condition is you have to have used Uniswap, traded on Uniswap before the 1st of September. That's the only condition I'm aware of. I don't know if they have to have a certain volume or anything like that, but all I know is I've got them. You guys should be able to get them and get on it right away.